Yeah, okay. You playing Gmod today? You doing Nosey? Bro, I forgot this castle has sound effects to it. What the fuck? Well, what the fuck? Okay, anyways, bro, let's just spawn them there. We have Nosey old, Nosey ominous. Oh my god, shut the fuck up, bro, shut the fuck up. Let's just disable the thinking first. Or like ignore players so they can't attack me. Okay, let's see. Nosey. Damn, look at him, bro. Shit, you're making so much noise, bro. Oh shit, you can turn on your flashlight. Wait, what? What the fuck? Bro, this you can climb? Let me see that again. Oh, you Spider-Man climbing, bro. Oh, damn, bro. Okay, let's just get into it. I'm gonna put him right here. Right there. Entities, see, NPCs, disable figure. Stay there. I need some time, okay? Time to run. Give me some time to run, okay? Also, because this shit is so slow, I need to use my speed changer. Look at this, speed changer right here, bro. Just set it to something like 1.5, stuff, you know? Save settings. That's a little too fast. Let's go in it again. Something like this. Let's just see how it goes. It's coming. Oh, I hear him. Yo! Oh, he's stuck, bro. Whoa. Why are you climbing walls and shit? I'm right here, bro. Ah! What the fuck? Oh shit, bro. Fucking damn. Holy shit. And this speed changer is too fast. That's good. Oh shit! You can't find me here, bro. Oh, fake. Oh my. Damn, chill out, bro. Yo. Whoa. Chill out, Nosey. Chill out. Oh yeah, you can climb, bro. You can climb. Oh. No. Stay the fuck back, bro. Stay the fuck back. Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Oh, what the? Oh my god. I'm out of ammo, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Fuck. Stay fuck. Move! Oh, sorry, Nosey, Sorry, Nosey, bro. Sorry. I'm a bit too fast for Nosey here. Oh, fuck. Let me up! Ah! God damn! What the fuck? Okay, he killed me. Just kill me, bro. Nosey. Damn. Okay. Nice. Oh no, what the fuck is this tunnel? Wait, what? Oh. Damn, let me up. What? Let me up. Just need you to fly up. Oh shit, Nosey's right there, bro. Nosey. Nosey, go get me, bro. What? Let's just check what is this? Nosey old? Oh, what? What's the difference? What's the difference? Oh, yeah, I see, bro. Nosey Omnison? More aggressive, I think. Okay, let's see. Let's run, bro. Oh shit. Let me up, let me up. How you climbing, bro? Why you climbing? You just climb up to me, bro. You're so slow, bro. You suck. You suck. You're ass, bro. Oh, shit, bro. Damn. Still ass, bro. Fuck, what the fuck is... Just use the stairs, bro. The stairs for a reason, bro. Oh, now you climb the stairs, bro? What the heck? I thought you were supposed to be smart, bro. I'm right behind. Oh, damn. I'm right behind you, bro. What you climbing for? Oh, shit. Nah, this shit is climbing the stairs. You need to walk up the stairs. Why are you climbing this tree, bro? I'm not there, bro. What the fuck? I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. What are you doing to the tree, bro? This dude. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, bro. Yeah, now you're awake, bro. Now you're awake. Damn. Wait. Get it, you can. Oh. Sheesh, look at this, bro. No. Yeah. But what the fuck? Steve character, get the fuck out of here. I said get the fuck out of here, bro. Did you just despawn, bro? The fuck? Nah, it's gone, bro. Okay. Let's just test the Nosey old, for instance, like this. Can you climb? Yeah, you can still climb. Why the fuck are you clipping in the wall, bro? Why are you clipping in the wall? Oh shit. No, none of this shit. They ain't smart, bro. They just ain't smart. Look. Let's see. What the fuck is that? Whoa! What the fuck? Wait, let me just know quick. What the heck is this? Nosey? What the hell are you doing? Nosey! Whoa! Whoa! No! Leave me up! Oh shit! Nosey, I'm right here, bro. You don't need to climb, bro. You just use the stick. I'm hiding, bro. Got a gun, Nosey. Wait. Got an RPG. I can shoot your ass. I can shoot your ass, bro. Why stay the fuck back, bro? Shoot your ass, bro. I don't know, bro. What the fuck? Stay the fuck back, Nosey. Oh god. Stay the fuck back, Nosey. Nosey, fuck back. Do as I tell you, bro. Be a good boy. What the fuck you called? Nosey. Let's keep this far Oh shit, he's already coming, bro. Stop running at me like that. Okay, okay. Fuck. No. Fuck. The fuck is it? Oh, it's yeah, up there. It's right there, bro. Okay, let's see. What if you stay? Oh my. Just stay the fuck back and we will be okay, okay? We'll be okay. We'll be okay. What the fuck? Oh shit.